Welcome back to A&A. Just a real quick video. I want to show you something that I've been doing to this Grand Cherokee here. If you got a car that's got very much age on it, you've got some plastic panels on the sides. You know, those panels originally are like black, but you get a little age on them and they're like gray. And you can put, you know, wax or maybe some Armor All on it to turn them back black, but it only lasts short period of time. Let me show you what I do. Turn them back black and don't have to worry about putting Armor All on them anymore. All right, here's an example of what I was talking about. See the that trim, how gray it is? Even at the, you see the bottom? That's a piece I've done already right there. What you want to do, get your little propane torch. Now, you have to be careful. You don't want to burn the paint. You don't want to melt the plastic. But I'm going to show you the technique I use. Start in an obscure piece that, if you mess it up, people are probably not going to notice it. Now the wind's blowing, so I'm going to have a little bit of harder trouble here, but once you get it going, see how that's turning back black. Now when you get up against the paint, don't spend a lot of time against the paint. Just, you know, don't stop your sweeping motion. It's okay if you have to come back. Don't go too slow and do not stop. You don't want to ruin the paint, or we're just trying to turn the trim back black. Some of it, you know, might not even turn back black. That's okay. We're just trying to make it look a little better. That's what I do. Let me show you the other side. I did that piece on the other side. Turns out pretty good. You don't have to worry about Armor All on it anymore. Y'all have a good day. Just remember, be kind to one another.